So we keep our focus on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Tamil Nadu visit. On your television screens, the latest visuals of the Prime Minister arriving in Chennai, where he is expected to inaugurate and lay the foundation stone for several development projects. Also, key focus this morning is on what we're looking at, yet another boost for Make in India. In defense, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate the main battle tank Arjun to the nation on Sunday. He will be handing it over to the Indian Army. Remember how in a high-level meeting, the Defence Ministry recently cleared the induction of 118 Arjun tanks into the Indian Army, worth around 8,400 crore rupees. Certainly will be adding to the strength of the force in land warfare. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi today will be handing over the Arjun tank to the army in Chennai. So that is one focus, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first stop remains Chennai, following which he will go to Kerala. He will be visiting Kochi, will be inaugurating several projects there as well. This is his first stop. We keep up with those live visuals where he's also expected to inaugurate the Chennai Metro Rail Phase 1 extension, commission passenger services, also lay the foundation stone for the extension, renovation and modernization of the Grand Anicut Canal system and the Discovery Campus of IIT Madras. A lot of action that we're expecting in both Chennai and Kochi through the course of the day. And on your television screens, the grand reception for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. People gathered in large numbers to welcome the Prime Minister. These are live visuals we're picking up from Chennai. Our focus remains on Prime Minister's visit to these two pole-bound states, and that's really, as we were discussing, the BJP strategy through these months in all poll-bound states. And Adhiraj, my colleague, is also joining us with more on the same. He's joining us from the Mumbai studios.
Right, many thanks, Kritsween. As my colleague had just stated, it's an action-packed Sunday for the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. BJP leader Khushbu Sundar joins us on the phone lines on this Sunday morning. Many thanks, ma'am, for being with us now. An action-packed Sunday for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as he is all set to visit Tamil Nadu, of course, and also inaugurate a slew of development projects, a key development push that's coming from the BJP side for Tamil Nadu. How do you see this visit, ma'am?
This visit is something which is going to give a complete confidence to the people of Tamil Nadu that our Honorable Prime Minister has come down to Chennai today and inaugurating very important schemes and policies that have been given in, and to make the lives easy of the people in Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister has always been in favor of Tamil Nadu, the way he has been promoting the language, the way he has been promoting our culture, and been extremely supportive of the growth for the state. I think we should be thankful, and we are extremely thankful to a Prime Minister for being with the people of Tamil Nadu at every given point.
Right, man, all important developments that we are picking up. As you have correctly stated, this is going to be a big boost for the people of Tamil Nadu, especially that the two big parties which leading AIDMK and DMK have seen a huge political void with two leaders who've been the face of the party not being there this time. Ma'am, another important question is that ahead of the polls, this push by the Prime Minister, by visiting the poll-bound state of Tamil Nadu, how does it bolster the morale and motive of the people of Tamil Nadu?
It definitely gives a huge boost to the morale of the people, and for us people from BJP, because it literally pushes us to do the best. And the BJP has always been about development. There are no scams. And today, with the NDA alignment with the AIDMK, I think the coming elections are going to see some great results.